So here I have some oats, and I'm using 1 cup of oats. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of my sea moss gel, and this is homemade sea moss gel. I'll be using 1 yogurt, 1 tiger malt, 2 peanut punch, 2 nutriments, half teaspoon of almond essence, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So some of the benefits of sea moss is that it supports weight loss, it supports thyroid health and gut health. It also supports your immune health. This also helps in fight against cancer. This is a power-packed filled ingredient right here. So we all know that oats is very good for men and for women also. Oats lower blood sugar levels, provide antioxidants, promote healthy bacteria in your gut. This also helps you to feel full to manage your weight. It eases constipation, relieves skin itching and irritation, lower your chance of colon cancer, and these are just a few of the benefits of oats. We also know that the peanuts, we get a lot of benefits from the peanuts, and the yogurt. As you can see on the yogurt, it has 1 billion active probiotics. And our nutriments, this is going to give you all the energy that you need to bring out throughout the night. So I'm going to add all of my ingredients into my blender. So I'm adding the oats, and I'm using 1 cup oats. I'm going to add the malta. You can use any malt, and I'm using 1 malt, and this is going to be like the liquid to blend the punch. I'm using my 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. I'm using half or 1 teaspoon of almond essence. I'm adding my nutriments. You can add Supplegen. And I'm using 2 of these. I'm adding the sea moss gel. And you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the sea moss gel. I'm going in with another tablespoon. And I'm going to add my peanut punch. And I'm using 2 of the box peanut punch. If you don't have peanut punch, you can use a handful of peanuts or almond nuts. So that's my first one. Now I'm adding my yogurt. And I'm using 1 yogurt. I'm going to blend this for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until everything is nicely combined and it is smooth and thick. Finish blending, everything look nice. Rest assured, you don't want to make it too thick right now, because when you leave this in the fridge overnight, the oats and the sea moss is going to make this a very thick, but that's what it should be a day after. So leave this in the fridge before you consume it. This is amazing. Lots of benefits for the men. This is going to make you feel good throughout the night. Powerful. You're going to be powerful throughout the night, all night long, full of energy. I'm telling you, try this recipe. Thank you all for watching.